Evening, everyone. It's Thursday evening, the 2nd of December, and this is your closing comment. It is video number 1044, 1044. Okay, so we had the claims today, which were up 24,000 to 222,000, and the continuing claims were 1,956 versus 2,063. So down on the continuing claims, up on the other claims, on the new claims. Okay, so I'm going to toot my own horn here a little. I gave you a serious dissertation on why I felt that the oil was turning. The chart on the screen is the oil. We came down to test this bottom. This bottom was 61.74. Today's low was 62.43. We had a big reversal going from 62.43 up over $5 to 67.49, and tonight we are up again. I cannot stress this enough, that I have been bullish this, with the exception of the sell-off, which we called right here, these 2 weeks, as unable to break through 85, and the fact that on the weekly that the Bollinger Band, we did something that we rarely did, and that was that the Bollinger Band, we were outside the Bollinger Band for 4 weeks in a row. That happened once before on this chart going back 5 years, and it was just in June of this year when we went from $77 to make a bottom at $62. So this is the important area. Again, I'm going to take that Bollinger Band out, and I'm going to show you a little more chart. It was a very important area. It was the pullback before the move higher, and what can I say? I can only point you in the right direction. I can't make you do it. Okay, DocuSign beat top and bottom, but gave poor guidance. This is a company that was 315 in September, closed today 233.82, and that was up $3. It immediately traded down to 164. The last is 166, down 64.79, 28%, and they beat. Kroger also beat top and bottom, but it went the other way, up 11%, 44.65, up $4.44. Snowflake also beat, went up to the upside, 360.38, up 49.28, 15.9%. And Boeing, as we discussed this morning on the news that China was going to allow the 737 MAX to fly again, the stock was up about $9 this morning when we talked. It was 197 and a quarter, up 908, closed 202.38, up 14.19. For a change, they weren't down much, but Apple, Microsoft, Tesla, Amazon, and Facebook all lower on the day, on a day where the Dow was up 617, NASDAQ up 127, the S&P gaining 64, even the Russell was up 58.91, or 2.75%. The big winner, though, was the transports, up 455.68, or 2.94. The VIX was 27.95. That was down 317, but 10%. But that still is fairly elevated. Gold down 21. Oil up 93 after down 4. Bitcoin up 185. The dollar was up a little, 96.15, up 13. and the bonds were basically unchanged. There is a big oil and gas conference on Monday and Tuesday, and on Fast Money, that's not Kramer's show, the show before that, Suki will be on for Tellurian from that conference. So something to look forward to. I'll be back first thing in the morning, and don't forget, we have the government's numbers on jobs creation tomorrow. Have a good